Far beyond the misty hills, under a sky painted with soft pink dawn clouds, there stood a cozy little cottage, glowing like honey in the morning light. Wildflowers swayed gently in the breeze, and golden sunlight kissed the rolling meadows. This was the warm and loving home of Mother Seraphina Goat and her 7 little children.
Welcome to Lumina Mona. Like and subscribe for glowing stories every night.
Inside the cottage, laughter lived in every corner. 7 tiny goats played, danced, and tumbled across the wooden floor. Morning light streamed through the windows, and the fireplace glowed softly. It was a home filled with warmth, safety, and endless love. Each child was special in their own way. Brave Arlo, always protecting the younger ones. Cheerful Bibi, who sang all day long. Curious Coco, forever exploring. Funny Dino, making everyone laugh. Gentle Etta, kind to all. Clever Finn, who noticed every detail. And tiny baby Gigi, the smallest but with the biggest heart. One peaceful morning, Mother Seraphina packed her woven basket. Fresh bread, golden honey, healing herbs. Her eyes softened as she looked at her children. Love and worry shimmered together. She knelt beside them gently. "My little moons," she said softly. "Listen carefully. Lock the door after I leave. Do not open it for anyone. Only open when you hear my gentle voice and see my hooves white as snow." The children nodded seriously. Tiny Gigi hugged her mother's leg tightly. "Mama, come back soon." Seraphina smiled and kissed her head. "Before the sun kisses the hills again, I'll be home." She stepped outside, humming softly. But deep within the twisted forest, someone had been watching. Amber eyes glowed in the shadows. Varkon, the midnight wolf. Hungry, patient, smiling darkly. He circled the cottage silently, listening, learning, waiting. 7 little goats, he whispered. A perfect feast. Knock. "My sweet children, it's Mama." But his voice rumbled like thunder. Inside, Finn whispered, "That's not her voice." The door stayed shut. Varkon growled in frustration, claws scratching the dirt. Smart little prey, but not smart enough. He crept to the enchanted beehives, drank glowing golden honey. Magic shimmered around him, softening his voice into sweetness. "Knock,
Little goats,
knock.
let me in. I bring warm greetings.
Open the door, my little
Love here, I
moons."
mean no harm.
Arlo called back, "Show us your hooves." They were black as coal.
May I
The
please
door
come in?
remained closed. Enraged, Varkon stole moon-white flour from the mill. He coated his paws until they gleamed like snow. Knock,
Little goats, it's your
Knock.
friend. May I come in?
Shh, hide. We must be careful.
soft voice, white hooves. Some goats hesitated. Little Gigi whispered, "My heart feels scared." But the latch slowly opened. The door burst open. Wind howled inside. Varkon stood towering at the entrance. Fear filled the room. The kids scattered in terror. One hid in the clock, one in the cupboard, one beneath the bed, one in the basket, one behind curtains. Tiny Gigi hid inside a glowing lantern chest. One by one, Varkan found them. He stuffed 6 goats into a shadow sack, their cries muffled in darkness. He vanished into the forest. Dinner awaits.
I'm home.
Seraphina returned home singing, but the door was broken, furniture scattered, silence heavy as stone. Gigi crawled out crying, "Mama, the wolf!" Seraphina collapsed, holding her tightly. Together, they followed claw prints into whispering woods. The trees whispered warnings. The wind carried fear. From the mist emerged Baylor, the ancient bear, protector of the forest. "I will help you," he rumbled gently. They reached a volcanic cave glowing red. Inside, a boiling iron pot and the moving sack beside it. Tiny, muffled voices echoed, "Mama!" Seraphina's heart shattered, but Baylor held her back. "Trickery defeated by trickery," Balor whispered.
Follow you.
He climbed into the sack. The kids hid safely. Fresh from a lava bath, Varkan laughed greedily.
The cauldron
"Soup
bubbles.
time."
My plan unfolds.
He grabbed the sack. The sack burst open. Baylor roared. The cave trembled with power. Terrified, Varkan stumbled backward, slipped near the boiling pot. He howled and fled into the darkness forever. The goats ran into their mother's arms. Tears, laughter, relief. "My babies, my light," she cried. That night, lanterns filled the meadow. Animals gathered in joy. Balor was honored as hero. Little Gigi smiled and said softly, "We were small, but together we were strong." Stars shimmered above. Even the smallest hearts can face the greatest darkness when they stand together. The 7 little goats were tiny, frightened, and powerless on their own, but their love for each other and their trust in their mother became their greatest strength. The wolf used tricks, lies, and fear to win for a moment, but fear never lasts where courage lives. Because real power does not come from size, strength, or loudness. It comes from unity, from protecting one another, and from never losing hope, even in the darkest cave. Mother Seraphina's bravery, Gigi's survival, and Baylor's kindness proved something important. When families stand together, when friends help in times of danger, and when courage rises above fear, even the most frightening shadows are forced to flee. So remember, stay alert, stay united, stay kind. Because love and courage will always win in the end.
Thank you for watching Lumina Mona Nan. Subscribe for gentle stories every night. Good night, dear children. Nan.